Hi guys, good morning. Today is our anniversary and it's time to Daniel to cook me breakfast.
Please pretend I can cook. I go cook. I pretend I can cook.
You pretend, huh?
I pretend.
Make sure it's lami.
I'll pretend to make it lami.
You reheat also this one.
Just gonna try simple egg and bacon.
No, honey, you have to prepare that in the sink first.
See, egg and bacon.
You're so mean. Oh, you showed them what you're cooking.
Simple honey cured home bacon. And then some store-bought eggies. See.
Strawberries. Oh, you have to, you know, also reheat the leftover last night, huh?
Yes, reheat the leftovers.
Okay, someone's tried to cook me breakfast, but I'm still assisting him. Honey, here's your butter in the pork.
Butter the pork.
Fork.
The fork. Get the egg. Need the bacon to unthaw.
Oh, you cook first the egg, honey, because you have a bigger space in there, okay?
I should just move it all right here so I got plenty of room.
Okay, someone fit in the kitchen. Okay, why are you doing this though?
Gotta use the butter so it don't stick to the pan.
It's nice if it's fresh, like it's all very soft and melty.
Yes. But at the same time, soft is good for other things.
Okay. We're not fitting in there though, so I have to continue my... Okay, mister, I'm still your assistant. I think I'm still in bed waiting for the breakfast. But someone is... Honey, where's the pan? Honey? The egg, the fork.
Where's that?
But at least Lala's try.
Wants me to make sure her egg is cooked whole. No pop yolk. We'll see if I can manage that. Probably not. No. I used WhatsApp when I was talking to you one time over my phone. Well, that one's going to have to be mine. I busted the yolk. Yeah, I forgot. And I finished breakfast, finally making.
Yeah, you pulled me up too.
Bacon fried with the rice fat. Rice fried with the bacon fat. And heat up to sabaw.
Sabaw?
Sabaw! And then someone go over here and crawl back in bed and go sleepy, sleepy again.
Yeah, you pulled me, huh? You pulled me with video.
Oh, okay. I pull you with video. Now Lolo gets to tell me how bad of a cook I am.
That's water is enough for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Mine's too much. I only have a few.
Let's pray.
Thank you for praying.
Must pray. It's just weird out loud. Not something I used to.
Yeah.
So
We have to.
we have to.
Let me see the rest. Yes. Thank you.
The bacon, I used the fat from the bacon cooked rice.
Yeah.
So we got bacon fried rice.
Thank you, Daddy. I use my hands. Use your hands too.
Use my hands? Okay.
With the rice. You do like that so that they will see you. It's about to like
Eat with finger food rice.
but I don't like sleeping. I'm not finishing everything.
And I'm trying to steal Lalo's fork.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm using my hands. This is what I love.
Broccoli hot hour.
I don't really like this very big. I just that small so that it makes thing. You want pineapple juice? I'll get you. Yay! I get to touch my screen.